What is a binoculars microscope? The term binoculars microscope refers to a stereoscopic microscope. From the root word stereo, meaning dual, a stereoscopic microscope is a stark deviation from the conventional type. The most apparent feature of this equipment, which has been fondly labeled as binoculars microscope, is the presence of two tubes instead of one. This pair of tubes provides rests for both eyes, and the images they provide is said to be the best possible magnification for three-dimensional objects. Having dual tubes allows the projection of an image in 3 dimensions. One tube will provide the flat perspective. The other tube will provide the protruding perspective. The result is a 3-dimensional representation of a solid object that is meant to be observed in 3 dimensions in the first place. The conventional microscope, you see, only deals with flat specimens. Usually, these specimens are in liquid form and are preserved in between slides. But for a study of a 3-dimensional specimen which is solid, a different vantage point is needed. And a stereoscopic microscope, with its many distinctive features, is more than up to the task in providing the best image quality possible for such a specimen. Again, it has derived its pet name of binoculars microscope because its 2 tubes greatly resemble a pair of binoculars. It's funny to think that the cousin of the microscope, the telescope, is actually considered as the forerunner of modern-day binoculars. As early as 1608, an inventor named Hans Lippershey conjoined 2 Galilean telescopes. The resultant image was said to be amazing that a new way of magnifying distant sights was developed right there and then. This is the origin of the binoculars we know today. Stereoscopic microscopes have taken their place in a variety of industrial and scientific applications. Geologists consider this equipment as a vital tool for their many researches. Medical professionals likewise consider this binoculars microscope as an indispensable partner in studying and treating man organs of the body. Coin connoisseurs use stereoscopic microscopes to verify the authenticity of the subjects of their trade. Stamp collectors claim the same usage. Indeed, if you're tasked to study a specimen in solid form, the conventional microscope, as well as the conventional slides designed for the same, will not suffice. Stereoscopic microscopes, those that many have labeled as binoculars in reverse form, should be the equipments to be considered in a more elaborate study of such a specimen.